really about meeting folks where they are at. And so at SIIT, we have a number of trade programs that are designed to go into the community or be delivered in urban areas.
Most of our programs are very hands-on, especially the pre-employment ones. So they'll spend 1 to 2 weeks in a classroom, and that might involve safety training. And then it's all hands-on. So they're learning how to operate different tools that they may have never used before.
Most of our programs are taught by a junior person. So they actually come with apprenticeship hours towards their junior person. Once they complete the training, they get a certificate from SIIT. We also teach safety. Safety is a very important part of the job because you want to go home every day to your family, to whoever you got to go home to. Safety can save your life. And also wearing the PPE. We also teach that in our programs to wear PPE, wear your glasses, wear your gloves, wear your coveralls, wear your steel-toe boots, because that's the last line of defense, but it's still a line of defense. Tools that the students use in an automotive program would be a hoist, which is a very good skill to have to lift the vehicle to do oil changes and that. They also learn about a tire machine, how to remove and replace tires, tire balancer, how to balance tires, how to do new tire installs. So they also learn how to operate impact tools, pneumatic and battery operated. They also learn how to tool identification.
A lot of people don't even have the simple knowledge of what tool is for what. Like if I said to somebody, go get a wrench, they might not know what that is.
They learn wrenches, they learn what tools are, like ratchets, sockets. Also torque wrenches. Torque wrenches are a very easy tool to use, but you need to use it. If someone over tightens your tires, tire can fall off. You leave it loose, tire can fall off. So either way, a tire is coming off if you don't torque it properly. They also learn how to use a scanner for a vehicle. If a lot of vehicles nowadays, they're all check engine light comes on and people go crazy thinking it's something majorly wrong, but the scanner will help you pinpoint why that light is on. They also learn to do oil changes and all that stuff, but all these SIIT programs open doors for people. And some of our programs come with work practicums as well. Sometimes students get hired off the work practicum because you impress the employer so much.
SIIT is one of the most personal institutions. We work with you on a personal level, and we're just able to pass on that knowledge through a huge body of people at SIIT that can contribute to your life and provide you the proper direction that you want to go in.